Well, I got ready to do this video and I had a lot to talk about. So I actually made myself a list so I wouldn't forget anything. So I started the video and got ready to get my list. And this is what we're dealing with. Give me my damn list, cat. All right, so guys, hope you enjoyed the video last week. Of course, that was the episode 1 of our 2019 season, the actual proper video that we haven't done in quite some time. We're going to be doing these every week for the continued future, for at least for this season. We got to figure out exactly how much we can make happen. Episode 2 will be coming out this Friday. We will be building your very own anvil stand, so that will be a good deal. But I had to get one of these videos in this week simply because I have got some really big announcements, actually kind of a double up that I've been about to bust, waiting to tell everybody about. And yeah, let's get started. If you haven't been following on Facebook, I have now announced our 2019 classes being hosted at Cheehaw Park in Albany, Georgia. We're starting out with something kind of light. We will be teaching a basic blacksmith course June 1st and 2nd at Cheehaw Park. There are 10 slots. They are only $100 each. And we're going to be doing the deed right over there in Albany at the awesome Cheehaw Park. If you don't know about Cheehaw Park is a place that I kind of grew up with. It has a zoo, had an awesome fort made out of creosote timbers back when I was a kid. We fought many a battle over them. They also have the yearly Native American Festival. It's a really awesome place, and I am really excited to be going over there and teaching classes. If you're interested in the classes, you can find out more information at trenton.com. Also, you can sign up there and pre-register and all that kind of good stuff. And a big, huge shout out to the first student who has already signed up, Mr. Brendan Smith, who is coming all the way down from Ohio. Thank you so much, Mr. Smith, for coming down to hang out with us. It's going to be a fun time. I'll be staying on site the entire time. So even though we're going to do the class during the day, I'm sure we're going to be hanging out and cooking over an open fire. So it promises to be an awesome time. And I'm excited to be teaching classes again. I really am looking forward to it. So it's a big deal, man. We ain't done classes in years. So now, second thing, and possibly even bigger than what I just told you. A little bit of backstory. When I got started knife making, I was probably 16, and the first catalog that I got was a catalog called Koval Knives, which eventually went into Jant Supply. And I have been buying the majority of my knife making supplies from these folks since I was 16 years old. Jant Supply is the biggest knife making supply house in the United States. Love these folks, man. I've done business with them for years. And man, they were kind enough when I contacted them to actually start carrying my book. This month they're actually going to start carrying my book in their catalog, which is a huge deal for me. You have no idea how many of their catalogs I have sat and drooled through. So they're carrying the book. They're also going to be carrying my forge. My own forge is going to be in Jant's catalog. And I am just, guys, I am beside myself. Not only is it a good business thing, but to actually have a chance to step up and start working with these absolute legends of the industry is just, man, it is just awesome stuff. And, but wait, there's more. Blade Show is coming up in about 3 weeks, and yes, I will be attending Blade Show this year, and out of the kindness of their hearts, Jant Supply has asked me to be at their booth to sign my books. I will also be helping them host several of their demonstrations, so I'm going to be playing a bit of a ringleader for some of their demos and signing a few books at Blade Show. How freaking cool is that? I cannot tell you how much I appreciate Miss Shanna and Miss Terry and everybody up there at Jant Supply. It's just an awesome opportunity, and I am just tickled out of my mind. So yeah, awesome stuff going down. So guys, those are the 2 big announcements there. We're continuing to film here in the shop. Hammers and books are going out the door. Speaking of which, a couple of big thank yous out to folks who have been supporting this shop this week. Laura and Chris Fox, who got a book. Miss Laura bought the book for her husband Chris, who is a big fan of here in the show. Chris, you have a wonderful wife. Dustin Rhodes, actually of Forged in Fire fame and Master of Arms, the original water dancer, Dustin Rhodes. Thank you to him, Robert Weber, Robert Cross, William Foss, and of course Kyle Johnson for getting hammers and books. So thank you guys so much for supporting the shop. And guys, it's been a damn good week. And just want to tell everybody how much I appreciate you guys, and am very much looking forward to the coming weeks and the new videos. So guys, thank you very much. If you have questions or comments, leave them down at the bottom. I'm back on duty answering things, so if you have anything, let me know. Guys, be good. It's good to see you.